After very long time, finally we have red candlestick on dollar index weekly time frame. So maybe you can say nothing can survive from Jim Cramer. He said something about strong dollar and now we have weekly candlestick. So you can say correction in dollar has begun, and for upcoming week, because you have many important news this week, question is same that this is correction or trend reversal. But this week you trade as counter trend correction. For trend reversal, we will decide after all of this news on next week. So Kramer was 100% right last year, right on this top, and it is showing big rejection from 50% retracement level. And on this bottom, news were super bearish. Trump was saying dollar collapse and BRICS currency. Now right at the top, you have super bullish news for dollar. The QT flying 10-year bond yield, and now a war before Monday market open. If you see your daily time frame, then your first big resistance is 50% retracement level 106.893, and you have multiple red candlestick. So maybe you can say sentiment of dollar are changing. And first important big support level, if this level break out again, candle close below this level, then you can say a trend reversal has begun. But above this level, you trade as counter trend correction. After clear closing below this level and after seeing all of that news, then we will decide next direction. So this is your big resistance, can be your top, and closing below this support level can change market sentiment instantly. Same like it changed after breakout. And for more clarity for intraday trader, if you see H4 time frame, I share this parallel channel everywhere on TradingView, right on this top, and on Telegram channel. Now price is again testing this lower trend line of this channel. This is your dynamic support, and price is also near this static support level. So two important support. If both break out on H4 time frame, then you can say on H4 entire trend has reversed. And first target obviously will be 50% retracement level. But be careful, after breakout it can retest trend line or maybe 105 static resistance. But from this bottom to top, it is only making higher high with higher low. So sentiment will start changing after it makes lower low with lower high. So on breakout below 105.430 and this lower trend line, then you can start selling dollar. Now Euro USD, after this big bearish trend, strong rejection on these horizontal support level. It did not hit 50% retracement level. So if dollar becomes strong on Monday because of war, if it retests 50% retracement level, then buy. Because remember one thing, war is equal to inflation, and Fed have to change his monetary policy. Same with GBPUSD on H4 time frame, strong trend line breakout on Friday, minor breakout, then retest and new high. This level 22,622 is your big horizontal resistance level. After breakout of this level, you can easily buy retest. Then USDCAD, it break out horizontal resistance, trend line, both in one attempt. And this was not because of strong dollar. That means dollar will become strong. It is because of CAD. Oil was collapsing in vertical line. Oil was super weak. And dollar was strong at the same time. Because of this pair breakout. But this is not because of dollar strength. It is because of oil. So we are still bearish on this pair. And now wait for breakout of the support 36,510. Then on retest you can easily sell. Again this pair have clear support and resistance. Now USD JPY H4 time frame. When price hit 150 level after strong jolts report, it crashed in vertical line instantly. You can say this is your ending diagonal chart pattern breakout, retest of lower trend line, then new lower low. After doing this magical thing, BOJ have confirmed one thing. 1 year ago it was UK and this time it is Japan. A strong dollar is now hurting their big trading partner. That's why I was bearish on USD JPY. Other pair were doing magical thing, but this pair was super clear and it could not stay above 150, instantly break down. So you can sell easily on this level, but anywhere from 150 to 151, this entire area is your sale zone and target is still same 137. And if you see CAD JPY, this pair came down on daily time frame in vertical line after making new high in this strong resistance zone. CAD was super big because of oil crashing and JPY was super strong at that time because BOJ were intervening FX market. That's why this pair was perfect selling opportunity last week. Monday will be interesting because you have very important news waiting for market reaction on Monday. Now silver daily time frame, I updated this level 20.81 in Telegram. This was strong support level and you can see 5 daily candlesticks are showing big rejection on 60% retracement level. And now price is flying from this level and next and first resistance is near 22.22. This is your first and nearest resistance, and after that resistance breakout, then you can say trend reversal in silver has begun. Now oil collapsing in vertical line 93 to 82. If you remember that G20 meeting, I said clearly that you have to wait 1 week after G20. And after that, MBS speak in English language, immediately all start collapsing. And now news is public why it is going down. And before you see market reaction of this news, there is a war. And war in Middle East is always bullish for oil. There was also a war news right at this bottom, but immediately on market open it became a propaganda news. But based on current market sentiment, this news is bullish for oil. If oil goes up, this is your first nearest resistance. You can see this is strong horizontal resistance level and you have this trend line. So dynamic and static resistance both. or if this war news change everything, because this was started with MBS interview. Then oil may go up. It will retest 88 level. If this war does not stop, then your stagflation narrative are back 100%. Fed has to stop hiking interest rate right now. He have to officially declare. CPI is already up 2 times, and now if it make new high, then CPI will stay up and Fed will have a problem. But don't worry, everything will be clear on Monday. If oil goes up back to this horizontal resistance level, then you can say war is important. Otherwise, oil downtrend has begun. SP 500 daily time frame, it is making sideways correction between these two key horizontal support and resistance. Until price is trading between these two levels, it is sideways range. You cannot say anything. If range break out to downside, then you can say recession bearish trend has begun. Or if it break out outside this range, that's mean above 43.25, that's mean you can say this is second stage of this bullish trend, and this was just a correction. Now Bitcoin and gold side by side, both made bottom almost 1 year ago. Bitcoin is only making higher high with higher low, while gold trend has a problem. If it break out below this 1800 level, then technically it will be in downtrend. So this 1 year old trend in Bitcoin is more bullish than gold. Another important thing, your Silicon Valley bank run news. It was started on social media, but gold exploded after news company was declaring bankruptcy. Since then, gold is back where it was on bank run rumor, while Bitcoin is still up. I have big doubt how is this possible. You can say time has come that Bitcoin has replaced gold, or major collapse in Bitcoin is coming below 25k, because central bank buy gold, not Bitcoin. You can see China, Russia buying gold, not Bitcoin, and big hedge fund they buying both, but majority of banks buy gold, and gold is down. Then who is buying Bitcoin right now? This is same like what I said before, triangle chart pattern downside breakout. Either September rate cut forecast is wrong, or gold will break out to downside. This is same. Either Bitcoin and gold both explode from current price level, or there is a hidden collapse in Bitcoin, it is coming soon. Because this divergence in both price, you can say Bitcoin is hedge against bank run, not gold, and this never happened.